In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos on your Google Business profile. This is a quick way to keep your business looking professional and up to date. Start by opening your browser and heading to business.google.com. Sign in using the Gmail account linked to your business. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can manage everything about your business on Google. Find and click on your business profile. From there, look for the Photos section. This is where all your uploaded images are stored. Take a moment to browse through them and choose the photo you'd like to edit. Click on the photo and you will see a few options appear. One useful tool available is the resize feature. You can use this to adjust the proportions of your image so it fits perfectly and highlights what you want customers to see. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to click Save. Your updated photo will now appear on your profile. If you notice that your photo can't be edited right away, don't worry. It's likely under Google's review process, which helps maintain quality standards. Once the review is done, you'll be able to make your edits as usual. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit photos on your Google Business profile. Keeping your visuals sharp and updated is a simple but powerful way to attract more customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google Business tutorials.